Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make 25 cents in 25 seconds. And before we dive in, if you are ready for financial freedom, make sure and comment freedom below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell to get notified when I post new videos about becoming financially free at a young age. And don't forget to like and share this video. And if you are actually ready for financial freedom, you're ready to stop trading time for dollars, click the link below this video and I will show you the best way that I have found in order to do that. It's the way that I've found to make my money work for me as easily as possible. So click that link below. All right, so I want to tell you how I've made 25 cents in 25 seconds. And it is an app that is called 1Q, standing for one question. So it's a survey app, but the reason that I like this one is because you can just do one survey question at a time. You don't have to do a whole list of questions all at once, like I've seen on some other survey websites. This one, you just download their app and they will automatically send you questions. And I haven't gotten a ton of questions. I did sign up recently, but they send you just one question at a time. So you just get the notification, you slide it open and answer the one question, hit submit. Super easy. When you are setting up your account, you'll want to put in as much information as possible. And I'll show you a little tutorial on it. But the more information you have, then the more questions that you will most likely get, because they know if you are a male or a female, so they can ask you specific questions regarding that or different things like that. So the more information you provide, the more likely you are to get a larger amount of questions. And you just link your PayPal account to the app. So you get paid directly into PayPal. You can do a 25-cent payout or a 50-cent payout. And they say if you do a 25-cent payout, you'll get paid more often, or you'll get questions more often. So that's what I've chosen. And so far I've made $1.50. So not a huge amount, but some money. And it only takes just literally seconds to answer one question. So I want to show you the website. So we're going to do a little tutorial on that really quick. Okay, so this is the website for 1Q, the one question survey. And it's really easy to sign up on here. And you can see once you sign up, they will, and you download the app, you'll want to download the app to your phone. And then they will send you a question through your app or through the app on your phone. And you can just answer the question. It doesn't take long at all. They're pretty short questions. And once you answer it, then you hit submit, and then it will say, just like on the screen here, that after you submit your answer, it'll say you have made 25 cents, or you can sign up for the 50 cents to pay out when they do 50 cents. But they did say if you sign up to receive 25-cent payments, then you'll receive more questions. So keep that in mind. And when you sign up, you'll want to sign up with your PayPal email address. That will make it a lot easier. And you can see when you click on sign up, it'll just ask you for your basic information. So you can enter that, or you can sign up with Facebook if you'd like to do it that way. And then they will ask you some more questions about where you live and your gender and things like that. And the more information you fill out, the more likely you are to get more questions because they have more data about you, so they can send you more specific questions. So keep that in mind while you are signing up as well. And once you sign up, you'll also get a referral link, so you can make money by referring people. And I've posted my referral link below, so you can use that to sign up, which won't take very long. And make sure and turn the notifications on when you download the app, so that they can actually send you the questions and you get notified when they send you the questions, because sometimes the questions will expire if you don't answer them quickly enough. So this is essentially 1Q. It's very easy to set up. and you just link it to your PayPal account, and they send you the money directly to your PayPal as soon as you answer the question. So it's been very quick, and I have made $1.50 so far, so not a ton of money, but a little bit of money, and they just send you the 25 cents every time to your PayPal account. So very simple. So that is 1Q. Okay, hopefully that was helpful. And you can use my referral link. I'll post that below to sign up. And if you guys, this will make you a little bit of money. This is not going to give you a huge income by any means. And if you are ready to stop trading time for dollars, make sure and click the link below this video, because that is the way I have been able to make my money work for me. You know, I can spend time on things that I really enjoy instead of working all the time. So make sure and click that link below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share this video with someone that might enjoy it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.